Hey friends! Today, I will show you a helping app for AIDE. This app will let you to add permissions or to create new another activity or intent, in your activity. In AIDE app, for adding permission, you have to remember the whole code and add it manually. As there is no suggestions for this. Also, I didn't find any option for creating and registering new activity intent. You have to create separate Java and XML files of the intent and register it manually. With this app, all these things will be created easily. You are seeing the image of the Helper app on your screen. The download link is given in the description. Now, let's see its features. After opening the Helper app, you can see the list of all your app projects created in AIDE app. You are seeing my app projects here. Action bar search, alert dialog, Bluetooth etc. To confirm it, let's see these projects in AIDE app. See, same projects as shown in AIDE Helper app. Let's create a new app here to see the usage of AIDE Helper app. Back to AIDE Helper app. See, the app we just created is here in the list. Now, we will add permission in this app. But first back to AIDE app. Here I am opening manifest file. See, no permission code is here. Let's add it from our AIDE Helper app. So back to our Helper app. Click on your app name from list. See, we have two features here. Add permission and add activity. So click on add permission, and follow my steps. Here you can see the list of permissions you can add to your app. Now click on the permission as per your requirement. OK, done here. Let's check it in our app. See, here is the permission code. Now let's see, the second feature, add activity. But before this, have a look here. No other activity is registered in our manifest file except our main activity. Also, we have only one main XML and one main activity Java file. So let's go to Helper app. Click on Add Activity. Here, type the Java file name and XML file name in layout. Also make sure, Add to Manifest should be checked to register this activity in manifest file. Otherwise, you have to do it manually later on. Click on Create button. All done. Let's check this. See, here is our second .java file. And, here is our second layout.xml file. Also, our activity is registered here. See. Okay friends, I hope this app will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching friends. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.